Wow, what a market rebound. Guys, we're in a better position now than we were when we left off this morning. Glad to have everybody in here. Pretty sure today's only Monday afternoon. Very volatile week we've had already, and we're only 7 hours in? Insane. Who do we have here in the chat today? We've got, Claybro, first today. Very nice. Victor, second, my man. You were definitely not first. I do count. Come on now. Paul, Frodo, Victor, Paul, Frodo, Victor, Outdoor Smile, Crypto Rocketeer, Victor, Paul. Who else we got? Frank is in here as well. Outdoor Smile. Frank, was it windy? I hope not. Hey, started early today. Paul, I never start early. I never start late. I always start right on time. Keith Kemp, Mr. Hat, what's going on, guys? Kelly, Scott, Pringleton, Shredder, Paul, Milano, Pringleton, Victor, Cassie. Oh, Cassie's eating popcorn. Very nice. Outdoor Smile, Milano, Keith, Milano. Oh my gosh, we got everybody in here. Milano. Where are you coming from, Milano? Never even seen your name before. Now all of a sudden you're all over. Keith, Mr. Hat, Outdoor Smile, Isa Wu, Paul, Milano, Brandon, Andrew, JJ, Milano, Shredder, Paul, Outdoor Smile, and I was number one, Clay, Frodo. I would have been number one, but I can't like my own stuff. Look at everything off the chart right now. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get Prague back on here at $1.28 after sitting at $1.11 all morning. Look at that support line at $1.11 holding up and then rolling higher right now. My goodness, looking good to be 3% in the green. This is Farmy, not AMC. GameStop rolling higher right now. GameStop sitting at $99, about to break 3 digits once more. Even Shiba Inu off the chart, sitting at $21.24. Let's load this up here, even though it's Farmy. All right, Farmy sitting at $19.78. Get back above 20 cents, Farmy. NASDAQ turning green on the day. My goodness. After a near 5% decline. And then we've got AMC, of course, sitting at $16.59. Bouncing back above 17 for a minute there. But sitting at $16.59 right now. Down only 7.68% on the day. I say only 7.68% because it was down more than 20% earlier. Ridiculous, Chicago, bro. Nice, Milano. Glad to have you in here. Wait, is a wizard never early, never late. Shows up just when he is meant to. Frodo, absolutely, man. When I click the button, I am here. Took me 87 tries, but I got the dip on Prague. Devil's Advocate, nice, man. Hopefully, you got the most epic fill in Prague history. You got it at $1.11 today, and that's going to be the lowest you ever see it again. Man, I hope so. JJ says, what a volatile day. JJ, today was an extremely volatile day. Today is not normal to see the NASDAQ, a major index, dip down roughly 5% and then recover all of the losses. That's a pretty good sign if you're looking for some dip buying and looking for some bargain hunters out there. They really came in and ate up that dip. So hopefully today was a turning point. And to me, very evident that people were willing to eat the dip, and it looked very cheap to a lot of people to have the NASDAQ rebound all 5% that it was down. Which one is AMC? Top left, my man. Top left is AMC, sitting at $16.58 up here, down 7.7%. Shiba, looking exactly like AMC, sitting at $21.18. Prague doing very nice to rebound off that $1.11, sitting at $1.28 right now. My goodness. Guys, if you bought Prague, think about this, okay? If you bought Prague just this morning at $1.11, and you're already up, what is that, 16 cents. You're already up about 15%. If you just took your profit now, not recommending this, but if you took your profit now, you would have made a better annual gain than the S&P 500 average, and you would have made a better gain than nearly every single hedge fund out there. Incredible. The 1 day, the 4-hour gains that we've seen this afternoon. It is crazy. But it's not that impressive considering we bar-coded there for 80% of the day? Yes, man. It was like, get in now, get in now, get in now, get in now, get in now. If you don't get in now, this is the last chance. Get in now. And then it finally went higher. So yes. Inflow on GME and AMC look nice. I haven't seen the inflow and outflow on AMC or GME. Sell, sell, sell. Paul says sell, sell, sell. Take your profit, man. Get that 15% gain. Planet Crypto just announced some great news about Shiba. Milano, what did they say? Let us know. tease us with the great news. Tell us what the great news is. We easily hit 1650. Let's push for 17 again. Crypto Rocketeer, I'm not going to lie, man. When we were at 17 earlier, I was thinking, yeah, dude, Crypto Rocketeer wanted 1650 on the close. Dude, let's go 18. Let's rip to 18. So I hope we get a nice 9 minutes ahead of us, and we do get a lot of buying to come in here towards the end of the day. The funny thing is, everybody that really likes Lou, they're probably going to be saying, well, that's all our buy orders that we put in on Friday. That's all the buy orders that they parked on Friday, finally getting filled. They're going to come in now and tomorrow. So we're going to get a nice run now and tomorrow. And they're going to try and say that, you know, they were the ones that manipulated and caused AMC to go up the way they did. So be careful with that if you guys hear that. Be strong if we can hit 17 end of day. Pringleton, yeah, if we close above 17 today, I would love to close in the green. I don't know if we're going to get all the way up in the green. Prog did a nice job rebounding. I don't know if AMC and GameStop are able to get back in the green today, but that would be beautiful if they did. Crypto is means being rich 1 hour and poor the next. De-atomizer. Yeah, man. I want to know. I guess you guys wouldn't really have a chance or have a choice. I was going to say, I want to know if anybody would invest in the United States as cryptocurrency if they come out with one, which they most likely are. But in all honesty, it's probably just going to be a digital dollar, and you guys are going to be forced to use it as opposed to a regular dollar. You think people know what's going to happen with the Fed, or is it just a random rise? That's a good question. Devil's advocate, I don't think they know. I don't think they know. I think it's a random rise based off the decline that we had earlier. A lot of people coming in, seeing everything. I mean, when AMC drops 20%, there are people out there that need to eat that up. And literally everything across the board was 10 to 20% down today. There were a lot of people that had to take advantage of that dip. It was just too big of a decline, too fast, not to take advantage of. So I think it was more of a random bounce based on the fact that everything was looking so cheap. I like Lou. Crypto Rocketeer, I'm telling you, a lot of people like Lou, man. I've noticed. So Lou is gaining more attention than Matt Kors, and I would even argue more positive attention than Trades at this time. And so I had to watch one of Lou's videos. I watched it yesterday because dude's been absolutely killing it. I know there's no way. I know there's no way that Lou is monetized. I know there is no way YouTube puts any ads on that dude's video because every other word is the F word. So I know for a fact that there's no way he is making anything on ads on these videos. But I had to watch a video, man, and I don't know. I know a lot of people do like Lou, but it's kind of crazy that he's got the following that he does. Clearly he's doing something right. So I think he resonates with a lot of people. But, my gosh, dude. I don't think I went 10 seconds without hearing the F word in his 6-minute video. It was insane. Tell me the truth. Do you think Dogecoin will get people rich? I bought a lot at 9 cents. Crosby Woods. Very good question. Dogecoin, man. Yeah, I think you can make money on Dogecoin. But here's the deal. Dogecoin is a true meme coin. There are not a ton of projects surrounding Dogecoin. Dogecoin does have a lot of people and a lot of retailers willing to accept it as payment now, but it is a meme coin and it is very tied to Elon Musk. So I do think you can make money on it. I don't know if you're going to like 100x or anything from 9 cents or from where we're at right now. So if that's your goal, you're probably going to have to take a risk on something much smaller than Dogecoin, but I don't think that, you know, this is the highest it's ever going to go. I do think that it's going to go higher. Shiba's scaring me, even though the whole market is down. Levi, why are you scared, man? Why are you scared? The swearing is just his personality. He speaks sense, in my opinion. Crypto Rocketeer, man. I don't know. I don't know. I thought it was a little much, man. I thought it was a little much. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. If all markets crash really low, where is your paper going first? Stocks, stable crypto, or meme coins? How greedy and daring will you be? Outdoor Smile. Excellent question. So if the stock market goes, let's say if all markets crash really low, where's your paper going first? Stocks, stable crypto, or meme coins? So I guess it depends on how far we're talking about a crash here. If we've got, some of these bigger cap stocks, like if we've got Apple sitting at, $50 a share or something, clearly I'm going to be parking a lot of money in some of the bigger and higher market cap stocks out there. However, okay, if we've got 2020 prices on cryptocurrency, it's not going to meme coins. It would be going into bigger altcoins. Solana, Cardano, Algorand, even Ethereum, and bigger coins like that. That's the first place it would go. If I could triple on Apple, great. But if these bigger coins lost 90 to 80% of their value, I'd go there instead. My entire portfolio is scary today on super red days. Cassie, close your eyes on super red days. It is right. If you can't look at it, don't look at it. As simple as that. You don't have to. AMC Chapter in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? How's your day going? Shiba going off the chart again. My goodness. Still rising, sitting at 21.90 right now. Was down, 15% earlier? Down 2% right now. AMC 1666. We've got GameStop treading on $100 again. The NASDAQ bouncing back beautifully today. Look at this afternoon. My gosh, look at this afternoon. Incredible, the bounce back to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was down almost 5%, almost up 1% now. It's a 6% swing to the upside on the NASDAQ there. Farmy sitting at 1982, retesting 20 cents. Man, come on, Farmy, bounce back above 20 cents. Get up there. AMC turned green. Let's get it, guys. I want to see some gains. This is the true test of market sentiment right now. Sundial. Only down 4%. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a good market when Sundial's bouncing back like that. Perfect, guys. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Today's a prime example of why it's a good idea to be 100% invested in Prague. Facts on that one, man. If you would have bought 100% Prague just this morning and you're already up, where did this flash drive go? I don't want to roll over it and then smash it. If you would have bought 100% of your portfolio in Prague this morning and you already made a 15% gain on your entire portfolio, nailed it. Nailed it. You killed that one. Any idea what's causing Bitcoin to pump prior to the big Wednesday government announcement? A de-atomizer. No. I think, honestly, and Devil's Advocate asked that same question. I don't think it's anything that, there's any leaked information or anything about the Fed decision, because the Fed never said they would be raising interest rates in January anyway. They simply said that they would wait until March to do that. So I don't think we're going to get any surprise in January that will be causing this rise here. I think that people are buying today because it was such a large dip earlier. Now, I don't necessarily think that marks the end of the dip either. Because people are coming in now and offering some relief, I don't think that it means the dip is necessarily over. I absolutely think that with the 15-20% gains that people were making today, if they bought the low, they could absolutely sell those and take their profit, because that's annualized gains in a 4-hour period. So you got to remember that too. GME 100 would do very nicely. Pringleton, yes. GME above 100. AMC above 17. I want to see a nice... we're not going to see AMC above 17. GameStop 100. Yes, we will see that. GameStop sitting at 99.92 right now. AMC sitting at 16.66. AMC sitting at 16.66. Crypto Rocketeer won at 16.50. And we got a 16.50 plus close for AMC today. Sitting at 16.62 right now. Down 7.54% on the day. 16.62, 63, 62, 63, 66. 63, 64, 65. AMC sitting at 16.65. GameStop sitting at 99.89. And do we have the close in yet? Do we have the close? Yes. So AMC unsettled close 16.63. GameStop 99.89. Prague 128. My gosh, what a nice bounce from $1.11 earlier. Shiba is sitting at 2,200 points per coin. NASDAQ finished up 0.63% on the day. Farmy sitting at 1983 on the close, at 1998 after hours. Very good there. I like that. And let's see. Sundial 46 flat. Not bad. 46 flat. That's an interesting close there. 46 flat. All right. Nice that we got a little bounce after hours in Farmy as well. Very good, guys. Very good. Look, you guys had a choice this morning, and I think all of you chose very well. There were a lot of people coming in here this morning talking a lot of smack about AMC and some other stocks. You guys held true and showed them that you weren't too worried about the dip. And I know we didn't erase that entire dip, but we did recover very nicely off that. How strange is it to be pleased with Pringleton? Yeah, man, I was thinking about that earlier. Extremely strange to be pleased with a 7% loss. But, dude, when that 7% loss is as opposed to a 20+% loss, I'm very happy with the 7% loss today. Made good money on Shiba, just holding. If all my crypto goes to zero, I still have the coins. I can pump later. E Tanaka, yes, and you got to have that mentality too, especially if you're investing in brand new coins that have no volume and no eyes on them. D-Atomizer, thank you very much for the super chat. D-Atomizer says, let me buy you lunch for all your hard work. D-Atomizer, thank you very much. Appreciate you, man. And let's see, what should I have for lunch tomorrow then? What should I have for lunch tomorrow? Because now it's dinner time, man. Should I have for lunch tomorrow? We'll make it happen. My sundial average is 45. So I am in the green. Cassie. Oh my God. Is anybody else in the green on sundial? I'm glad I don't have my sundial anymore. I had my sundial at 81 and... Was it 81? Or did I say I sold at 71? I don't even remember. I think I sold at 71. And I had it at 81 maybe. Something like that. So I'm glad I got rid of mine at 71. I chose poorly, Clay. I should have bought the dip. Christ. Oh, no. I did add a little bit today. So I did technically buy the dip. Not a huge amount, but I did go out there and buy the dip a little bit today. So I am happy with that. I can say I did it until tomorrow. If it comes back down again, then I'd be like, dang it, man. I bought the dip. Now I got to buy the dip again. Darn it. Oh, Frodo. It's all right. Anybody else buy the dip today or no? Prague is the boss. Moved back up where I bought last week. Frank. Prague is crazy, man. Prague is a very volatile stock. Sundial ain't even in the green on Sundial. Sundial ain't even in the green on Sundial. I'm telling you, devil's advocate. Sundial definitely isn't in the green. Actually, Sundial has no debt. I don't think Sundial cares if Sundial's in the green. Because Sundial, diluted everybody's shares when Sundial was trading at $4 a share. So Sundial made off with like $1 billion on share dilution there. So I don't even think they care if they're in the green. Sundial can't sell weed to save their last shredder. They cannot do it, man. They cannot do it. I don't even know why. I've never even partaken or known anybody to sell that in my entire life, but I would imagine I could probably do a better job than Sundial does. I know, Pringleton, I'm just kidding. No worries here. My GameStop close showing over 100, 116. Let's see. Maybe it'll settle. My GameStop close is showing... Okay, yeah, it did settle. At 100.15 is what I'm showing. You're showing 100.16. I'm showing 100.15 now. Did I update it? We got Farmy at 20 cents after hours. Prague sitting at $1.28 close on that one. AMC 1664 is what I'm showing for the close on that. If you guys got anything different, let me know. Sundial still flat at 46 cents. Man, look at that. Cassava Science is bouncing back 8.8% in the green today after being down 5+%. Cassava Science has gained almost 9% on the day. Wow. What a day, man. What a day. Looking good for Cassava Sciences, gaining 9%. Where we at here? Let's go back to AMC. Easy as AMC. Gazilla Minar. 87. When Toyota. When Kia. When Kia. Thank you very much for the super chat. Gisla. When Kia, man. That's the real question. Forget about Toyota. Let's go Kia. When your mom is ready to hand it down. Boom! My mom actually has a Kia van. And I have a Kia Forte. What's that tell you? I don't want the van, though. I'd rather have the Forte. Let's see. Why can't it settle up like that on a Friday? Pringleton, a very good question, man. Very good question. I have no idea. I wish it would. Just want to upgrade to a Kia. KO bets. Nice. Johnstontown. I don't know. when my mustache stops messing with my nose would be when weed, maybe. Ask Sundial, but they don't even know the answer to that. Mr. Johnny London. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Glad you're back in here. Prague in the red. Why so happy? No, Prague ended in the green today, man. Prague ended in the green, 3.23%. Prague was at $1.28 close today. That was in the green by about 3%. 14.23, $3 drop today, 11 to 10 tomorrow. Mark, you do know that AMC ended today at 1664, right? You do, yes, I understand that it dropped down to 14.23, but you do know that it bounced back like 20%, right? When it went back up to $17 per share. Key, killed in action. De-atomizer, never. Key is where it's at. Man, I was big in Sundial because they have no debt and other companies would neither. But unfortunately, I moved on. Many next time when I have play money. Maybe next time when I have yeah, Shredder. I moved on too, man. I moved on too. And it happened. See, that's the thing. They are positioned. I cannot. I'm going to have to go shave my mustache or something. They are positioned very well in the fact that they have no debt. They're in an industry that still is like seeking validation and seeking that approval to really reach its full potential. But they're just not growing. They're not, and they should be growing. As more and more places legalize it, they should be growing because their customer base should be growing, and they're just not. Twitter not a good bet right now. They have mechanical problems with the new Tundra. I'd hold off. The Atomizer, there you go, man. I love you, man. Even with the bloody market, you always show up. Gisela, man. I'm sitting there thinking this morning. Maybe it's nose hair that's messing with me, not a mustache. I'm sitting there thinking this morning, dude, this market is getting ripped. I got like 25 notifications at the open that everything was down 5 to 10%. And I'm like, oh, man, these people, it's going to be a rough day today. But, dude, I show up. I'm happy. You guys are happy. It's perfect, man. I wouldn't have it any other way. Does it makes you feel any better? Sundial also moved on. They gave up trying to sell anything and have just invested in other companies. Facts on that, dude. That they have been doing. AMC Trapper says, "Cool, bro. I had to pass through Ohio, going to Indiana this weekend, going to a funeral." AMC Trapper. Oh, man, you came through this weekend? Dude, we got a lot of snow this weekend, man. How were the roads? Well, it was probably pretty bad. Either it was very beautiful and you liked it. I mean, Saturday, I think the roads were probably clear. It did start to snow yesterday, and the roads are pretty bad today. So, hopefully, you had a good experience, AMC Trapper. I hope you did. I swear, I'm going to have to go to the bathroom and shave something. Chris, where do you catch Ozark Season 4? I would assume Netflix. I'll just want Netflix. Yes, why do no major U.S. producers trade on the New York Stock Exchange yet? All these Canadian growers, and there's monster domestic growers not yet listed. KO Bets, that's a good question. I do not know if it's because there's something in terms of legalities with the U.S. and things not being, federally legalized or something like that. That would be a speculation on my part, but I do not know the answer to that. Isa Wu, it says Netflix and chill. There you go, Trapper. Thanks for the invite, you jerk. This dude's like, why would I invite you to a funeral, man? Come on now. AMC, sorry for your loss. Yeah, me too. AMC rebounded nice today. AMC was sorry for its own loss. Hopefully, we don't all get. Gosh, how do you say that again? Pho? You guys say it pho. I'm pretty sure you guys say it pho. Dude, I gotta pull this mustache hair out or something. This is driving me crazy. It was bad when leaving out from Indiana at 6 a.m. Everything was white. Yeah, AMC Trapper. That I can imagine, man. Today was pretty bad. It was snowing all night last night. Shoveled the driveway yesterday. I'm going to have to shovel it again today. Yeah, still federal laws against it. No interstate commerce. Lover Bear Farm. Yeah, that could be it, man. But like I say, I don't know for sure if that's the reason. If you do, great. The confirmation is good. But if not, I want to let you guys know it is speculation. Hey, Clay. Good to see that you're holding the line. We got this. Keep on keeping it real. Love Josh and Rach. Josh and Rach. Glad you guys are in here. And absolutely, we're definitely going to keep on keeping on over here. They were saying, sorry for Trapper's loss. Oh, I think I missed something, man. Oh, Shredder. Yeah, no, that was... Devil's Advocate, thank you for the appropriate use of the word dingus in that sentence, because that one went over my head, man. Shredder, thanks, bro. Yes. AMC Trapper, can I say it as well? Or did I blew my shot now? God, I'm a dingus, man. I'm a dingus. That's a fact on that one. AMC Trapper, you're my boy. We can cry together, man. I would have gone. Dang it, dude. Probably would have gone. Nosewag is the best. Hurts, but stops to tickle. Daniel, I'm telling you, I'm going to need something going on here. Left nostril driving me crazy, but I got like a hair stuck sideways. I don't know what's going on, dude. Crypto is going again. Cool stuff. Yeah, crypto did have a decent bounce back. Bitcoin bouncing all the way from 33,000 to 37,000. Like a 12% increase in the price of Bitcoin. Currently sitting green, up 2%. Shiba still down on the day, but up what? A little over 10% from where it was earlier at 1,900 points per coin. Ethereum bouncing back to 24.50. Cardano back above $1 at $1.08. Man, looking good right now. My condolences, AMC. Yeah, you guys say AMC Trap. You gotta call the guy Trapper, otherwise you're confusing me. It would look cool bald. Old Man Lee, I can tell you for a fact that is a no-go on that one. So if you're lost, AMC Trapper, also me too. Advocate and Isa Wu and Nufo and everybody, yes. Which site do you use? I'll tell you, Masaya Khan. Sorry if I hacked your name up there. This is Weeble. So this stuff you're seeing back here is Weeble. I don't know if it's available where you're from, but you can use the link in the description below if it is available. You're gonna get some free stocks for signing up, so make sure to check that out. Zachariah, good evening to you. Glad to have you in here. Glad you made it through today, man. What do you think about Lamborghini getting into NFTs, Mr. Hat? I think everybody is likely going to try to get into NFTs. If they don't, they're missing out on the same type of marketing, I guess, not expertise, but the same sort of marketing campaign that getting into Shiba provides. Okay, I think that people are going to be attracted and talk about NFTs. So these companies, they could just say that they're thinking about NFTs, and they would get attention for it. We've got, all right, NASDAQ closed on the day. Did it settle? 6.63%. Farmy sitting, bouncing nice after hours, sitting up 2.82% after hours at 2039. GameStop sitting up after hours at 0.15. Nope, down, yep, up 0.15. My gosh, bouncing around. Down again, 0.35%. Volatility there. Prog sitting at $1.27 after hours right now, and AMC sitting comfortably up 0.36% after hours right now. I like it, guys. But you know it's bugging you as much. It kind of reminds me of the oldest Saturday Night Live cast, if you know what I mean, dude. I promise you, I don't know if I got like a mustache hair growing up instead of down, or if I literally have a hair in my nose or something. But it's not working. If it would have done this before I went live, I could have taken care of it. But now that it's doing it as I'm live, I'm sitting here and my nose just keeps getting tickled. It's ridiculous. Oh, man. And again, sorry, AMC Trapper, man. You know for a fact we love you, don't you? Yeah, no hat, man. No hat. You know the bros love you, AMC Trapper. We'll take one step forward, then 3 steps back in the market. Nufo. Yeah, and you know what that does? It has a lot of people. It shakes a lot of people out. It basically takes their money, man, and it's like their sacrifice, okay? They leave the market, and they leave their money in the market as well. So if you're able to withstand the shakeout here, you're going to be doing good. Because I'm going to tell you, you guys have experienced a 20+% pullback in the NASDAQ. You've experienced a 20+% pullback in the market. Really, the only guys that can say they've experienced more of a pullback, 2020 dip, because you know why, and then 2008 dip, because of the housing crisis and the Great Recession, 2000 dip, and then I don't know if anybody in here was investing back in the 80s, but you got the decline from back in the 80s as well. So there are only a handful of people that can say they made it through a market pullback like the one that you guys are seeing right now. So and it might not be over, right? We might be able to say that, shoot, that 2022 pullback was bigger than the 2020 pullback. All we need is another 10%. We're there. If we get another 30% pullback, shoot, man, we outpaced the 2008 financial crisis. So, yeah, guys. Yeah, this is not a normal correction or a normal pullback that you're facing and you're making it through either. How many shares are we at that need covered? Chris, as far as I know, slightly over 100 million, man. Slightly over 100 million. The estimates that I've seen are right above 20%. Would it help in Florida? Dude, yes. JB, facts on that. That would help anything. That would help anything. I would even let Lauren, I guess, pluck the hairs or whatever she would do. Shiba Inu token is plunged into the metaverse sphere by announcing to launch Shiburse in 2022. Shiburse will be the first release of the year in its growing and expanding ecosystem. Rubens Fritas. I've not seen anything about that, but that does sound very interesting. AMC Trapper. Yes, I love you, man. I love this man with or without a hat. Shoot. I love this man without a hat too, but definitely without a hat. Devil's Advocate with that hair, without, I'd say. What's the difference between Minnesota temperatures and the stock market? The stock market stops falling when it hits zero. Nice, Frank. Minnesota temperatures definitely don't do. Reported, yeah, I know. Reported, estimated, etc. Short interest this morning, over 21%, up 3%. I'd expect similar tomorrow, so maybe 23, 24%. Reported tomorrow, way higher than last year, which means way higher squeeze potential. I'm gonna die, man. It's 45 minutes. Guys, give me 2 minutes. This is ridiculous. I can't do this for another 45 minutes. All right, I should have just done that on camera, but I pulled 3 hairs out. We got to be good. We got to be good now. All right, Devil's Advocate, what's the estimated short interest on Prog these days? We need to know. I got a feeling BBIG is about to blow. Spider Claude, hopefully it does, man. I do not own any, but I hope it does. Okay, do you think the new transparency rules are likely to pass? Peter James, that's actually a very good question. I do not know. I would say, man, this is tough. I would say yes, likely, okay? Why? Because I personally do not think that the government has anything to gain on them not passing. The hedge funds, yes. Okay? I think the hedge funds do have stuff to gain on not, I guess, willingly reporting everything or slowly reporting everything, as opposed to the new regulations, which I believe want them to, update their short shares and report on a daily basis, or it's much more frequent. I'm not exactly sure. So I do think that there is a likelihood that they pass. I don't think it's impossible that it doesn't. It's just off to Pringleton. I did, man. I did. I had to take care of my nose. JB, if I can afford Ortex, you haven't been listening to how well my options plays are going. Facts on that one. His options plays are going great. He bought Prog on the lowest of the lows today. Higher from here, half, and I'll give you 100% perfection. Shredder, let's go, man. White lines are going through my mind. Esau Wu. No, dude, I pulled some hairs. I got a feeling Sundial is about to blow up. Julia Gulia. We better listen to Julia Gulia on this one. If she's got a feeling that Sundial is going to blow, we need to get in now. Shirtlehead poked. What? Nasty Investor. What? What's going on there? So, do we finally hit the bottom on AMC? Jose Miguel Rivera. I hope so, man. I hope we hit a bottom on the market pullback as well. This was a deep decline, guys. 20% is a deep decline. How do we calculate the potential of a price movement in the hypothetical scenario that all AMC shorts cover? Justin, it's impossible. It's impossible to calculate how high the price will go. I know some people will tell you that back in June of 2021, 17 million short shares covered, and AMC went from 12 to 70. Therefore, you could take that, multiply it by like 8 to get up to 100 million short shares covering. But we don't actually know That's the net amount of short shares covered. We don't know if they covered 50%, went out and shorted 50%, covered 90%, went out and shorted 110%, covered, all of them again. We don't know the like intraday action on how many shorts were being covered and such. So it's impossible to determine that, because if they go to cover this time, but people are so fed up with the lower prices, people might give up at $30. They might say, man, this is a blessing to have AMC back in the 30s. I need to quit now. We have no idea what to expect. Quit with the anniversary. What did today tell us about the fight? Chris, the only thing that today told me about the fight, man, is that people are still willing to buy the dip. AMC looked extremely cheap along with the broader market. Okay, it was along with the broader market. It wasn't just AMC and GameStop that recovered. There was some added volatility in AMC and GameStop because not a lot of stocks were down 20+% today, like AMC and GameStop were. But people were willing to roll in and buy the dip. They thought it was cheap. If that sort of mentality sticks throughout the rest of the week, then yes, we could absolutely see some continued buying. And if we see AMC start to roll a little higher because of it, dude, this anniversary is still on. We could still see some sick gains towards the end of the week if AMC and GameStop start to get some hype and start to get more attention. Julie, I'll deliver your newspaper for a share of AMC. Boom, I would do the same thing. For those of you who don't follow my Twitter, think of the market as that hot college girl who's way out of your league. If you're patient and wait till she needs a hard rebound, you can win big. What now? What are we waiting on here? Because it sounds like something I'm interested in. Libra, thoughts on ATVI February 18th, a $90 calls. Microsoft is buying, Activision, buying them at 95. So aren't those guaranteed in the money? Of course, dates can vary depending on when they sign. Gorilla Invictus, yes. So if they're so I know that Microsoft has agreed to buy them for $68.8 billion or $68.2 billion or whatever it was. If that sale goes through, yes, those would be guaranteed to go in the money. However, there are a lot of things that can arise, and I don't know if shareholders approved the acquisition or where exactly they're at. It's the most I know about the Microsoft Activision acquisition is just headline news. I read one article on it, and I don't know any more than that. So I don't know what stages of the acquisition they're in. They could actually increase the price if shareholders don't approve the merger, or it could fall through if shareholders don't approve it. Or I could be sitting here saying that shareholders have already approved it, and everybody's good to go, and it will be $95 closing, and you are exactly right. So I don't exactly know, man. I don't want to... I'm just kind of trying to throw some possibilities out there, and I don't want to, I don't want to sway your opinion one way or another because I actually don't know. Daily gap on Kohl's is disgusting. I don't know how to buy puts, but I need to. JB, did I see Kohl's on the Daily Mover today? Why does that sound familiar? Yeah. What do you mean? I don't know how to buy puts, but I need to. Well, JB, it's very easy if you've already got approved for options trading. So if you're looking at Kohl's here, you've got the daily chart. Boom, runs up here. Where's this? Right at is this the highest it's ever been? No. Okay, so this is at a level of resistance. Okay, if JB does want to buy puts in this area, man, all he's got to do, and I'm not logged in, so I'm not going to be able to show you exactly where to do it, but he could come over here. He could see the stock options. He could expect Kohl's to fall by the end of, let's just do the end of February, right? Let's get rid of these. By the end of February, he could see the puts, and I don't know, what was it trading at? 63. So he expects it to be back below $60 by the end of February. He could come out here and he could buy a put for $3.95. The spread's kind of ridiculous on these puts right now. JB, you got to look at that too, man. Spread's ridiculous on these puts. But if you wanted to buy some puts on it, boom, come out here, Click on this one that you want, and then look, I got a log. You might not be able to see it. My face might be in your way. But you can figure out this is the put you want, and then you could go ahead, buy it. As long as, I mean, dude, if it goes back down in price at all, you're going to be making money. But if it expires below 59, clearly, you're going to be making money on those puts. J Bones, a member for 8 months, guys. J Bones, dude, thank you for that member chat. Still here, bro. Holla. J Bones, man, I'm glad you're still in here. J Bones' question is, do you still wear your shirt? Do you still wear your bro shirt? That's the question. Rocket, have you on mute, so you'll have to type on phone with Brett right now. There's no way you're with Brett right now. No way you're with Brett right now. Rocket, I'll start a transcript for you. Devil's Advocate, thank you, man. Mitch, payment for order flow. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. We don't want no payment for order flow. Yeah, man, payment for order flow is the devil. It's like Bobby Boucher. It's like foosball. Payment for order flow is the devil. 10,000 shares of AMC in my hands have never been more diamond crusted. At least I like it. Holding strong over there. Yes, indeed, man. Still a bro. J Bones, perfect, man. He's hopping in. I heard my name. Is this dude really with Brett right now? Wait a second. How did Brett hear his name if Rocket said the audio was on silent? If Rocket said he didn't have the audio on, so we got to type a transcript out, and Brett just said he heard his name, somebody's lying to us, and I don't know who. Brett, you have no idea how glad I am to see you. My goodness, what is going on? Brett's back the same day that Marine Corps Brett is back. Rocket's in here. I don't know about you guys, man. You guys are playing some tomfoolery on me, man. I know you are. Where's Nick F at? Julia, don't you dare put word in my girl Elizabeth's mouth. Never. Julia Gulia. Yes. J Bones. Congrats on the 8th month, bro. Dude, J Bones been around forever. A real microphone? Brett, you have no idea, man. A real microphone? Look at this computer, dude. We got a computer. Actually, we got like a dual monitor set up here. Yeah. We got everything in here, man. Everything. I lifted desktop up, but you can just go to my Twitter and get a picture of that if you want. It's pretty heavy down there. We're not gonna do that. Rocket audio is on silent, you dingus, ×2. They're on the phone. Rocket is showing Brett respect and giving him his full attention. However, Brett isn't returning that favor. Duh. Oh, gotcha. It's only one-sided. It's a real anniversary. JB, it is, man. It is. We got everybody in here. A ring light? Like, your looks don't need help, Clay. Save some for the rest of us. Brett, I'm not going to lie, dude. I've had the ring light forever. So, I guess they do. I guess they do, man. Devil's Advocate, that's hilarious. It is, man. Devil's Advocate called that one, though. He knows it. AMC to 56,000. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Brett, man, member for 8 months, and he's back. He's back. Rocket has my full attention. Typo. He's got the full attention there. Man, I missed you guys. Oh, my goodness. The boys are back in town. Bought calls today. Am I nuts? Mitch, what'd you buy calls on, man? I don't think you're nuts. If you bought calls today, okay, especially at any of the lows that we were seeing, you could have potentially bought these calls at the ideal time. We had an epic reversal in nearly everything today. So if you bought calls today, man, you could walk away not only not being nuts, but potentially having one of the best options plays in modern times. Keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Tomorrow, we could wake up to another bloodbath, and I could be saying, well, dude, Mitch's calls got ripped. But I'm hoping, man, you did get in on the turnaround. You're full what? Better make this a three-way call, guys. Devil's advocates like, let me in on this one. Clay, bro, we need to get some art up on that naked wall. Where can we say? Issa Wu. Yeah, man, but listen, I'm in the process of building that wall. I thought I was going to have an easy weekend because JB was out drinking coffee and building snowmen with the kids, but that dude went to work, so I think he kind of played me on that one. I thought I was going to have to, do work and get that wall finished, and I'm like, well, this dude ain't doing nothing on the weekend. I don't have to do nothing on the weekend. Yeah, it turned out that he lied to me just so he could finish his wainscoting. And I would slack up on the wall there. Hitting the road. Hope everyone has a great evening. JB, man. You too, dude. You too. Go enjoy that snowman. It's probably sitting in your front yard. Congrats on 8 months being a bro. Absolutely. Donnell Brett is killing it. AMC Chapter, Devil's Advocate. What's going on, guys? Ford calls. Nice, Mitch. Yeah, I don't think you're that crazy, man. I do hope that you got in at an epic time, okay? It is possible after today's reversal because we had, yes, some extreme selling pressure, but then some extreme buying pressure came in. I was so mad I wasn't allowed to comment on that JB post with the man, rip, I don't qualify. Dude, he should have tagged you. He should have tagged you in that. I know he was playing me. After he finished his wall that night, after he finished that wainscoting, I know the dude was playing me. Reciprocating my attention. Attention. You guys have my full attention right now, too, if you know what I mean. Oops. JB, bye. Enjoy your evening, Rainbow Gorilla. Dope, Brett. Yes, he's got the Rain Bro, not the Rainbow. The Rain Bro Gorilla on there. Snowman is completely melted. JB, there's no way the snowman's melted. I've probably got another 6 inches of snow just since yesterday. Hood, Tim N has a good question. Where the heck is Tim N at? Boom. If AMC squeezes after market hours, is it good to sell after hours, or is it best to wait and sell when the market opens the following day? Tim, excellent question. Let's go over some hypotheticals here. So if AMC starts to squeeze after hours, there's no way hedge funds find the volume necessary to close out their positions after hours or pre-market. It's impossible to get that kind of volume to cover 100 million shares after hours or pre-market. So start that statement by if they start to cover their shorts and if they start the squeeze after hours or pre-market. So with that being said, I would wait till the next day. Now, you would be extremely conservative if you did try to close out after hours. But there are a lot of traders who do not have access to after hours and pre-market trading. They will definitely be jumping in to either take profit and cause the price to go back down, or they will be jumping in to FOMO buy AMC. Now, if they jump into FOMO buy AMC, you are going to be much, much better off waiting until the next day. If it starts to pull back the next day and you feel a little conservative, maybe they did have a ton of volume after hours and you just want to get out, you can't handle it anymore, and it went to prices that you accept, then you could sell towards the open on that day. But in my personal opinion, man, I believe if they start this thing after hours or pre-market, there's going to be an influx of buying the next day at the open or at the open that day. So that would be me waiting until all of the traders jump in at the open. See, you've always got a place as the meat of the sandwich. Oh, God, this sandwich sounds delicious. My bad, I meant to type phone call, and autocorrect said, that's ridiculous. It takes 3+ to make, oh, well, there you go, man. There you go. I think they're getting people to buy puts, and then they're going to jack the prices up and try to take retail's money and puts it all ahead of the game. Benjamin, it is possible, and we talked this morning about the fact that a lot of people were interested in selling and playing to the downside and closing out or getting out. And when that's the mentality of the majority, chances are you're getting very close to a bottom. And I hope that we hit the bottom today. What is the best stop limit strategy today for Bitcoin? 3650, 36,000, or 36,500, 36,000, or 35,500? Rodrigo, good question, man. 36,000 is a level of support. Not a huge one, but it is a level of support, man. So if you're playing that tight on Bitcoin, 36.5 is going to be an extremely tight one, but you do have some support right here at like 36.9. So if you're looking at a very tight chart, yes. But let's see what we got here. 36.2. So I would more or less put it at 36 if you're playing real tight. 35.5 if you really don't want to see a reversal. Yeah, because I see if you fall through 35.5, man, you're most likely to retest that 34 level, and then you're knocking on 33's door again. So if we see a turnover in crypto and we retest this 33,000 line on Bitcoin, dude, 30 is my line in the sand for Bitcoin and crypto in general. If Bitcoin falls through 30, I don't think I'll be holding any crypto below Bitcoin 30. Oh, where are we at on AMC? All right, sitting flat right now. Good on that one. Good old days were wonderful. Yes, they were, Cassie. Those advocate WTF. Why you telling the secrets? Don't tell anybody secrets. Oh, dear. I thought you left AMC Chapter. Well, in this case, I can leave it. Oh, my God. We got 4. Come on. Have you bought any more Cardinal yet? Quentin, no. I've not bought any more Cardinal yet. Dude, I'm looking at this dip right now on crypto, and the fact that it is most likely due to inflation and all this nonsense that they're starting up about Biden's executive order plan, talking about crypto, and the Russian government talking about banning crypto. And I did have to request review. For this morning's live stream. So I don't know what it was that would have triggered. If I said the word Russia or if I said Biden, like I have no idea. But I did have to request review for this morning. So if we see that continued action, man, I don't think the dip's over, personally. Speaking of real side, Trevor, oh my God. The more the merrier. I love a good boy. Jump in, Trapper. Let's go. What? Everybody's joining in now. Bros. BBIG chart this week, please. Spider Cloud wants to see BBIG chart this week. BBIG, if we put it down here, we can put it down here for a little while. I don't think anybody's looking at GameStop after hours right now. Watch BBIG for a minute down here. 5% after hours right now. You know, a nice little recovery going on there. Not too bad. Brett Rocket said, bye. We were on the phone, but he heard there's Trevor. Oh, my God. I don't care what Bitcoin drops to. I will still keep some Ethereum to mint NFTs and keep my play to earn gaming cryptos. Yeah, the little cryptos, man. I don't think the little cryptos are going to get hit as bad, especially the ones that have extremely low volume. But I don't know, man. If there's no level of support in sight if Bitcoin falls through 30,000, which is why all of these cryptos that walk in lockstep with it, I probably wouldn't hold those through a fall below 30. That's just me being a little bit more conservative, I think, though. So, but dude, if you're going to mint some NFTs, you got to have something. MC Trav, I know you're probably thinking it sounds, oh my gosh, but no, it's probably some deep thing that isn't actually dirty and they're kidding. But nah, it is, man. We need a sailor. Let's go. First time in the red for me since May. Marcos. Yeah, man, I was actually concerned that I was going to hit the red today for the first time since who the heck knows when. And I did not. My average was at like 13. I didn't. I did look. It was 1380 something. Maybe 1386. I don't know exactly. It was 1380 something. So I did not touch the red today, but I was very close. Thanks, my man. Spider Claude, absolutely. Oh, what you investing in? Separate whispers. Oh, you want to see my portfolio? This is you guys are crazy. Julia, I don't know what's happening, Julia. You're going to hit the red today. Now it's 5. No, dude, I don't want to hit the red today. We're going to stay in the green. We're going to stay in the green for sure. Oh, Mitch, I'm telling you. Yes, if this sounds like something you're interested in, don't get started. Don't get started. Oh, let's see here. I don't like the fact that I have to keep clicking on these stocks to update them after hours if they're not on the chart here. I don't know why they don't auto-update. Or why it doesn't tick. It's because I'm not logged in, or what's the deal? I don't know. Anyway, Sundial up after hours. Cashapp Sciences down slightly after hours after a very nice day today. Polygon sitting at $1.50. Bitcoin sitting at 36.9. Cardinal sitting at $1.08. Ethereum 24.59. Shiba 2,147 points per coin. AMC sitting at 16.64. Prague dollar. Well, no, it's down after hours. $1.26 after hours. GameStop sitting at 0.67% in the red after hours. Farmy in the green by about 2% after hours. And nice. Wait, neither do I. Julia Gulia, if I knew, I probably wouldn't tell you anyway. Sounds dangerous to me. T35 FTDs due this week on BBIG. Get in before the report. Get in, guys. Listen, BBIG, I know there's some BBIG investors in here. Hopefully you guys do make a ton of money. See green across the board for the family. Isa Woo, let's get it, man. I hope we see a green day tomorrow. Anybody else expect a green day tomorrow? Let's take a poll. See what you guys actually expect since it's anonymous. Alright, let's see what you guys actually expect for tomorrow. Crap, I hit the red 2 months ago. Who cares? Shorts haven't covered. J Bones. That's a fact, man. That's a fact. I'm just glad that I didn't hit the red, clearly, but I wasn't going to alter my decision in any way. I missed the dip. They closed in banks in my area. I had to go further out to Wells Fargo and stand in line. Sad face, sad face. You think we hit 28 tomorrow? Spider Claude, you talking about AMC? If we hit if we hit $28 on AMC tomorrow, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy. I got some calls that I would sell if we hit 28 tomorrow. I'll definitely sell those. And I say it, Red Texas gets my mozzarella sticks sizzling. No, man, those mozzarella sticks are really good. If you guys haven't made those, you guys need to do that for sure. No. Shredder, what did he say? I don't even know what he said. Told you Sundial is going to break out. Let's go, Julia. I hope that it does. Is it breaking out right now? It was 0.48%, right? Yeah, 0.41% after hours. Let's go. It's in the green. Let's get it. No, AMC. AMC is what we want. Anybody? 42 votes, 1 minute to go. Very nice, guys. Don't forget to vote down there whether or not you think tomorrow is going to be red or green. Knowing that we had a very deep dip today and people ate that dip right up. This is why, even if I'm not in the chat, I'm listening in the background. You guys keep me laughing. AMC Trapper, it's ridiculous, dude. It's ridiculous. I'm glad that you're hanging out with us, though. I am. Hello, what's up, bro? What's up, Kent? What's going on? Vito, how you doing, man? Hey, bro, did you talk about Shiba's metaverse yet? So, Pika Power. No. The Shibaverse or something, I have not seen that. Somebody did come in here and mention it, but I think the news must have broke as I was live or something, so I was not aware of the article, didn't read through the article of what was going on there. So, if you want to inform us, the other person did not. Pika Power, if you want to inform us on what's going on, please do. Accidentally sprayed contact cleaner in my eye just now, and don't even wear glasses, bro. Dang, devil's advocate. That sounds extremely dangerous, man. No, I don't know. It can't be that bad. It's got to be like a safe solution. Did it burn? Anybody know what a what? New house or back to the casting? No, Brett. So I'm upstairs right now, man. I'm upstairs. This desktop setup, I didn't want to put this whole thing in the living room. So I got a desk up here in one of the bedrooms, got the desktop up here, and currently getting a background ready to go on that. So not a new house, just definitely a new room. You left off the option of both a green and red. Tomorrow, what do you think it will close at tomorrow? What do you think that we will close at tomorrow? I know I left off the options for both, but it can't close at both. Unless you're talking about two different stocks. We're just talking about the stocks in general tomorrow. Which one do you think we're hitting here? And where are we at? How many votes? 58% optimistic. 58% we will be saying we will be ending in the green tomorrow. I like it. I like it. That means like, what, 42% of you guys are going to be ending in the red? Boo. Boo. It's cleaning for electronics. Oh my gosh. Both. House first and then couch for nostalgia. I think I missed something. I know I missed something. Hopefully Robinhood listing soon. Vito, yes, I hope that Robinhood would list Shiba soon. But I don't know if they will. I honestly don't know if Robinhood is ever going to list Shiba. Green for Turnaround Taco Tuesday and again on Many Worlds Wednesday. Isa Wu, I hope so, man. 59 votes, 57% green, 42% red. I do not know where the other 1% went, but hey, there we go. 2 questions. Is Turnaround Tuesday a real thing or a Matt Kors thing? And then question 2, if it's real, is it in effect for tomorrow? Dude, I think it has to, it's not like a real thing. It's not that every Tuesday stocks turn around or anything. It's probably something that somebody said on YouTube. I don't know if Matt Kors said it or if somebody on Twitter said it somewhere, but Turnaround Tuesday is not a real thing. It's not guaranteed to turn around on Tuesday. Shib is creating their own metaverse. Not sure when they plan on dropping it. That's pretty much all I know, but still big news. I love it, man. So what's it going to be called? Because somebody said Shibaverse. And as far as I know, Satoshi had previously said Oshiverse. So which one they going with? Is it a good time to get out of Beanie Babies, or do you think they're going to go back up? Brett, I think they're going to go back up, man. They're going to be like Pokemon cards and, oh, geez, I don't know. What's something else super expensive? They'll make a comeback, man. Don't get out yet. Diamond hand those bad boys. Why is the green gummy bear strawberry and not watermelon? That I have no idea. I do not know my gummy bear flavors, apparently. Like investing into them, or you're physically inside of them and asking if it's okay to remove yourself. If you're asking if it's okay to remove yourself, please do so. Petition signing looks good. Over 500,000 signed the listing. Vito Arts, yeah. I know people want Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. I just don't know if Robinhood will. I meant as a statistical advantage strategy, not as a guaranteed thing. Yeah, I don't even know if there's any statistical relevance to Turnaround Tuesday, man. I've never even heard of like any statistics being done on a Turnaround Tuesday. Matthew Perry is saying something to you on his clip on YouTube. He's saying something to me he's on YouTube right now. Is he live? Soon to the moon, Cabbage Patch. Those guys are gonna make it a comeback too, Paul. Green being strawberry, it makes no sense. I was expecting lime flavor. It's like an unripe strawberry. Okay, maybe they saved red for like fruit punch or something else, and they're going with unripe strawberry. Devil's Advocate, they're babies. Beanie Babies. Okay, yeah, that's why you can't get back into a Beanie Baby. What's up, bro? Chris, what's going on? Well, not really. The youngest Beanie Baby has to be pushing 30 now, but still, Brett, get it, man. Those are vintage at this point. Facts, but I am optimistic. Nice, Vito. You got to stay optimistic, man. Shibers. Julia Gulia, thank you on the name there. Shibers. Shibers? Shibers. It's like the Shibaverse. Shibers. And where do Beanie Babies come from? Grow up if they can be inside of us and we can get inside of them. Man, I hope so. It sounds extremely dangerous to me, though. Rocket is back. Thank you for coming back, Rocket. Why is orange red? And why is red orange? Nobody knows. Can hold out for 12 minutes. Lick the wall. I don't know. That wouldn't be good, man. I'm not going to lick the wall. After actually typing that out and sending it, I realized how it sounds and was kind of a person it paints me as, and I'd like to retract it. Well, you're more than welcome to retract a message, Devil's Advocate. That is absolutely a possibility on YouTube. They're waiting to make sure everything is 100%. Brandon, okay, Robinhood is waiting for now, but will list, I believe. Yeah, Brandon, that's the excuse. They want you to think that it's all about your safety and they have all the regulatory disclosures and regulatory filings met. But, dude, unless they, don't know anything about filing paperwork, every other major exchange was able to clear all of the regulation and get Shiba Inu coin listed a long time ago. So, yeah, man. I don't buy that excuse anymore. I think it's a good one on their end, trying to put their customers or make their customers feel like they're first. But I'm not buying that excuse. Shibers, I go crazy when she moons. Oh, she burrs, I go crazy when she moons. She moons, yes. Shiba is going to be looking good when she bursts. Frodo, Beanie Babies are still worth money. Sports cars from the 90s, not so much. You got to wait till at least 2030 from the sports cards from the 90s to be worth something, Frodo. My AMC shares are 35 each. Do you think I can be able to make profits soon? MD, depends on what you determine, what you think soon is. I do think that you will make money. Coors is I don't know if Coors is funny or not, right? Coors is knowledgeable, okay? I think that a lot of people have a problem with Coors for some reason, but I still think the kid knows what he's talking about. The snozberries taste like snozberries. What are your predictions for Shiba once Shiburst launches? Jennifer, good question. Jennifer, good question. I don't know. If they release any metaverse during a down market like crypto is in right now, I don't think it's going to have a dramatic impact on the price. If they release that sort of information when the market is rolling and people are willing to risk or willing to invest in riskier assets, then I absolutely think that it can have a positive impact on price. But in a down market like we're seeing right now, I don't think it would have a drastic impact. Frodo, newer and unproven players are worth way more than vintage Hall of Famers. Go figure. Ridiculous outdoor smile. Ridiculous. I remember when moved across state lines and couldn't even sell Beanie Babies for a quarter. Should have kept them instead of throwing them out. Should have sold them to Brett, man. Brett would have bought them for sure for at least 26 cents. Shiba will be here forever. Brandon, I absolutely hope so. AMC will rip. Swag comedy. Look at this, man. AMC will rip. I love the fact that people change their tune so much just from like 4 hours ago when everybody was saying that AMC is dying and now AMC is ripping. I love it, man. I love it. Clear, bro. Once the zero is added, AG is A. Let's go. AG is A. Oh, AG is all in. Even better, man. AG is A. AG is all in. Let's go. Clay, you're the best YouTube personality on the line, bro. Thanks for being you and being here for us. Isa Woo, thank you for being here, man. And thank you guys for keeping your heads on when the market is going down. Of course, 11 at the bank, $500,000 in super chats from the... Listen, Mitch. Cool. I'd be laughing too. I'd be having a great time if somebody sent me $500,000. You know, the thing is, okay, I understand that people don't like when somebody else is making money. But you have to also think, nobody forced anybody to send a super chat, okay? And I get it. Like, I get that people don't like the fact that people make money. But, dude, nobody forced anybody to send Matt Kors a super chat either. Horse was excellent streaming all day long. My gosh, talking about himself, he's funny. Don't hate. He said he took a toll on. He said it took a toll on him, and he's no sellout. He's part of the solution, not the problem. Yeah, Shredder. Look, man, and if we're gonna be talking about Matt Kors too, I don't like talking politics. Okay, like I always say, it makes me the wrong kind of hot. I'd rather be the right kind of hot. But yeah, dude, I don't know. There's no sense. Everybody's got a different style. Everybody's got a different passion. And like we talk about Lou, man. You know, Lou, dude's got a dirty mouth, but people love that guy. And, you know, clearly he's doing something right. People watch his videos. People believe in him. And, you know, he's doing well. Same thing for Matt Kors, man. I think Matt Kors knows what he's talking about. I don't think it's nice that anybody hates somebody for making money or... you know, being successful or things like that. Who's the best YouTuber? Is that one single video pooped out in a matter of 2 hours an absolute joke to you? My goodness, man. No respect. Sheesh. I don't need to hear this BS. I have 4 subscribers. Devil's advocate. Second best, dog. No hat on that either. Second best. Right there. But Brett always said what's his is mine. So I got to get some of these Beanie Babies. Yes. Some of Brett's Beanie Babies, Rocket. Some of Brett's Beanie. I should, like, when I get this wall done and I got a little shelf on there, I should put a Beanie Baby, like, probably right here. Put a Beanie Baby right on the corner, right for Brett. I'm sure I got Beanie Babies in my mom's house somewhere. Don't we all? You are always the right kind of hot, Frodo. I like it, man. I like it. Someone else wrote that about Matt Kors. I just copied it because his message was blocked, and I think it's fair opinion. Oh, I didn't even say. Okay, Crypto Rocketeer. I don't even know which one you said that he said then, but I don't even know what it was. I think it's all good, though, right, guys? Clearly, everybody's got a different take. Everybody's got a different style, and the people that want to hang out, hang out. Simple as that. Greendale is a bodaciously small town. Lane, man, something, I don't even know what that was. Matt gives no care for AMC. He used his AMC audience to boost his network for following Fox. The swag comedy, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's hard for anybody to determine what anybody else's feelings are, okay? So, if Matt says something, you got to trust that Matt's, not blatantly lying to everybody. And at the same time, man, Matt gets a lot of hate too. And that's tough, dude. That's tough because I see people on Twitter all day eating that dude up. Why? What do you gain from being mean to somebody else? You know what I mean? So it is tough, dude. Don't be one of those guys. If you don't have anything nice to say, take a thumper on it, man. Just don't say anything at all. I know you watched Bambi before. So that's the approach everybody should take to it. Don't beat somebody else up. Well, unless unless they deserve to be beat up, like they're beating up your little brother, then you gotta jump in and help out. But other than that, don't beat somebody up. I also have 4 subscribers. Gonna get rich on YouTube. Let's go, Cassie. Oh, phony one. Gotcha. Crypto Rocketeer. Thank you for reminding me which one it was that you sent over since we started talking about Matt. I'm a bottom guy for sure. You already knew that, though. Rocket. Oh, man. Freddie. Thank you. Thank you, Freddie. Freddie making sure we are the right type of hot today. Freddie, thank you very much. And Counselor Murray, thank you for the super chat. Counselor Murray says, this was the wildest day I've ever seen. We winning, baby. We winning. Counselor Murray, today was a very wild day, dude. Down 20+% on AMC. Back up to being down like 5% on AMC. Finished the day down about 7% on AMC. The volatility was real today, man. The volatility was real. Not just in AMC, but the overall market too. NASDAQ going down 5% to end up 0.60%. Huge swings in the broad market, man. I'm hoping that because they were such drastic swings, that we've seen the bottom or near the bottom. I don't know if we have, man, but I can be hopeful. Rocket that power bottom. Let's go. Let's go. What do we got here? McCluskey beat up my little brother. If he can beat you up, you deserve to be beat up. Well, Brett, I like it. Good mentality on that one then. If you can take it, if you can't take it, well, then just let it happen. You'll be stronger afterwards. When people are mean to other people, it is because they're not happy with their... Yeah, you know what, Frodo? I agree with that. And I understand there's a lot of unhappy people out there who are losing money on AMC and so on, and they need somebody to blame. And it's simply easier to say, well, you made me press that buy button. Did he? Did he make you buy? Did he make you press that buy button? Think about that. Did he make you press it? So does this mean no Clay, bro? Matt course? No, absolutely not. I'd do a video or do a live stream or whatever with Matt Kors. I have no problem with that. I don't listen. I wouldn't have any problem doing a live stream or whatever with Matt Kors. I don't think that I would do one with Lou though. Unless Lou was like, yeah, man, I'm not gonna use that type of language on your stream or anything. That's the only way I would do one with him is if he promised to be a good Lou for at least the 3 minutes that we could hang out. I think he might be able to handle it, but then again, I don't know if he could. So if you guys are talking to Lou tonight and he talks back, yeah, if Lou would ever want to do something, I'd do something with Lou too, but it would need to be a good Lou, not a bad Lou. You can't be a bad boy, Lou. You got to be a good boy. What do we got here? Crypto Rocketeer dabbing on him already. I would box the gabagoo out of Lou. PSA, if you ever need somebody to hate, bring it on, baby. Hate me. I actually am in control of not only Clay, but Matt too. And I am the real one who made you lose money. Facts, dude. Facts. We can always blame it on Devil's Advocate if we need to. I have no strong opinion on Matt either way, but he's not a large man. The question is, are there any real, I'm not a large man either, right? Are there any really large men that are YouTubers right now besides that Big Dolls TV or whatever his name is? That dude's a large dude. Facts on that, man. No hat. That's a big guy. Who would never agree to not cuss. Would he agree to give, like, yes or no answers, Frodo? We could just hang out and he could be like, mm-hmm, yes, no. Or would he be like, yeah, going off about it. And then I'd be like, Lou, is this simple yes or no, man? Not an F yes or F no. Come on. Peace out. Oh my gosh, how is it 5 o'clock already? AMC Trapper. Thank you very much. Six side. Hey, Clay, first time catching you. I was able to buy first full Ethereum today. Buy the dip, baby. Six side. Thanks for being in here for the very first time. Love it. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Guys, make sure to get your names in the chat right now. Let's get some shout-outs going. It's 5 o'clock. Got to get some videos out for tonight. 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys watch those videos. Share them. All that good stuff. Why not, man? Why not? Just click the like button on it. YouTube really likes it when you click the like button. Rocket, Brett isn't small. Oh yeah, YouTubers. We're talking about YouTubers. That's right, Rocket, right. We forget about Brett for a minute and then, we're good. Brett's definitely not small though. We know it. Julia, shout out to you. Rocket, see you later. Isawu, JB, still in here. Enjoy your evening, JB. Devil's Advocate Wrench, massive 10 out of 1 odds. He's juicing. Not tiz because he's big. He's huge and he has a deeper voice than most DJs can spin and light at. Devil's Advocate definitely knows what's going on over there in Wrench Capital. K.O. Betts, Kibron, oh gosh, now I understand what your name is there. Rocket, see you later. Julia, Swag, Jennifer, Lou, Aroma, what's up, man? What's going on? See you later. Devil's Advocates, I don't know any big YouTubers. Wrench Dilt is bigger than Clay's legs. Yeah, facts on that, man. I wouldn't doubt it. Freddie, see you later. Donnell, Andrew, Gorilla Invictus, Six Side, Swag, see you later. Orion, see you later, my man. Pew-wee, let's go. AG, I love you, bro. See you later, AG. Enjoy your evening. Great seeing some of the old crew in here. JB, I love it. I hope you guys come back tomorrow to hang out with us. Isawu, Brandon, Julia, Gulia, Mark, go Bengals, go whoever you want to go. I don't know who's playing anymore, who's winning, who's losing, anything about sports, so we're good to go on that. The Devil's Advocate, see you later. AG, see you later. All right, you guys know what time it is, man. So if you want to say it with me, Cassie, Julia, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.